With the help of our GSX configurator, you can configure your desired enclosure with a list of components that are needed to assemble the enclosure. First, choose type of enclosure, type of vertical brackets and how you would like to divide it into sections. Next, select a desired cover outline, and drag it onto the enclosure. All the measurements of a particular cover can be seen if the element is hovered. Fill the entire enclosure with appropriate covers in this manner, or add additional accessories. Finally, you can then export an order, on the base of which you will get an offer from ET. You can access all of our software at ET's Designer Corner.